Good morning, all of you. Last week we have seen the lesson number 1, that is how does a computer work. That is from book number 2. So last time we have seen the concept of input, process and output. So today we have to see examples on it. So there are the different examples in our daily life. One by one we will see it. So first three parts we will see. First one is input, process and output. Now first example of this is, if you want to make a tea. So for making a tea, first we have to take as an input, that is milk. Then in process, the raw material, whatever the milk, again tea and sugar, that you have to add in that, and then after that you have to boil for a specific time, and after boiling your tea will be prepared. So final output will be tea. So this is the first example. If you are taking the second example, in this, how to make a juice. So for that, first we have to take the fruit as the input. For process, we have to take as a juicer, and in that all materials you have to keep, and after doing the process you will get the juice. So this is the second example. Now third example we have to see the car. So for car, the fuel is required. Fuel and wheels are the here input. If the machine, means in that engine is there, if the engine is not processing, your car will not move from one place to other place. So engine is a processing device here, and output you will get, means from one location to other location your car will move. So this is the third example. Now fourth example it is, if you are taking the washing machine. So in that washing machine, whatever the dirty clothes are there, we have to keep in that. These are the inputs. In processing, washing machine, it will do the process. Means for 5 minutes if you are doing the process, and after that you will get the clean clothes. So that is the output. Next example we have to see, that is if you want to make the rice. So for that, first you have to take the rice. In that process, or in cooker you have to keep this material and water, and then for 5 or 10 minutes you have to keep for the boiling, and after doing this process you will get the result as a rice, that is output. So next example it is, if you want to draw the pictures. For this, first we have to take the raw material as drawing card, next pencil and colors. So these are the inputs. In processing, or after doing the drawing, you have to fill color in it. So that is the process, and finally you are getting the result as your picture. So these are the different examples. Last one we have to see the example of car. So in this, if you want to make the cake, for that raw material you have to take, and after this taking the raw material, we have to do the mixture of all these things, and you have to keep in the microwave. After giving the temperature for 10 to 15 minutes, you will get the your result, that is output, and that is cake. So these are the different examples of input, process and output. Same as it is in your daily life also, we can see the many examples on it. Thank you.